As I said in my previous video that there are two ways of doing quantum program. One is IBM Qiskit, another one is Google Circ. So in this video we'll learn how to install IBM Qiskits so that we can start working on the quantum programming. The first thing is to download Anaconda distribution. This is required for Python. So download this package Anaconda distribution and install it. Once you install it, go to your start icon and you'll find it Anaconda PowerShell prompt. So click that and the prompt will appear. So what you need to do is you make sure that Python 3.7 or higher version of Python is installed here in your laptop, so or desktop, whichever your platform you are using. I am using Windows 10. Come to this prompt and type pip install Qiskit user, so -- user. So install this one. This is also installed, and make sure that it is check the configuration. So once it's done, come again to start and you will find Jupyter Notebook. This is the editor for working on quantum programs. So click on this one and this will direct to a browser where you will find the editor will open up. So in my desktop I have required setup. So I'm going to desktop and I have Google Circ as well as IBM Qiskit. Both directory are there. So if you click Qiskit, I have some of the template programs which I'm going to show in my next video. So click on this new and then you'll find Python 3. I clicked, and then what you do, you need to do certain checks here. So what you do is you say import Qiskit, press shift and enter. Once it is done, type Qiskit dot Qiskit underscore version and then say -- press shift and enter. Okay, I think something went wrong. Need to type -- so I'm finding here the version of Qiskit. So that is making sure that Qiskit installation was done properly. So in next video we'll learn how to actually start working on this quantum programming using Qiskit. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.